So I built a little something, 3D printed actually, a little grate system. Basically, here's the tray part of it, with the nice little droppers you can set over something. Anyways, I got a 1/4-inch slots, I got a 1/2-inch slots, and I got 3/4-inch slots. And this is a nice little bud sorter I built. It's pretty badass. So the 1/4-inch slots is going to give you kind of shake and kind of really small buds. The 1/2-inch slots gives you your smalls, you know. Pretty kick-ass for being at home to do it. And then the 3/4-inch slots gives you, you know, your nicer size, decent nugs. And then what you have left over after that is your larger nugs. You know, anything over 3/4 of an inch that don't fit through. It's pretty badass. Let's see what it looks like when you kind of use it. I'll just kind of show you. Okay, so what I've done is I put the 3/4-inch slots into the thing. It's got a nice little 2-inch edge here so you don't lose anything. So I put the larger buds back in with the, I guess, medium-sized buds, you could say. And we're just going to pour it in there. And we're just going to kind of brush it around and let it kind of fall through. You just start pulling out the bigger buds if you want, the ones that you know aren't going to fit through. Just kind of give it a nice little brush over, man. That's a big one. Big one. Big one. Boom. All done. Nice little brushed off. Here we go. Here's our 3/4-inch sorted buds. There's our larger buds again. And boom. Success.